This video is brought to you by Enjoy Life Foods. Hi everyone, Halloween is around the corner and this year I'm trying to find new ways to make it special for my kids. This year I'm going to be making a Halloween snack board. Think epic charcuterie board but filled with treats the whole family will love. I'm so excited to get some help from Enjoy Life Chocolates. Enjoy Life Foods has allergy-friendly bite-sized mini chocolate bars. They're dairy, nut, and soy-free. I know I'm always trying to find allergy-friendly options each Halloween. To make our Halloween snack board, we fill it up with sweet and savory options. I'm going with an orange and black theme here, and that goes for healthy treats too, like carrot sticks and grapes and cheese. Don't forget the salty snacks, ghost crackers, and popcorn add crunch. And I'm sure the kids would be happy to help add all the sweet treats. I also love how Enjoy Life has other snacks that would be perfect to add to the board. I've added some lentil chips, protein bites, and mini cookies. So definitely check out Enjoy Life Foods to make Halloween extra fun, make a snack board, and have a happy Halloween!